Hey, my name is Vlad Hu, and before I talk about AI avatars, let me show you the one I created today.
Hey, I'm Vlad's AI avatar. I speak as a human and can engage in a realistic conversations, either for generating leads, coaching your existing customers, or providing support. What your avatar is going to do.
What you just saw is an AI avatar that I trained and created within a single image that I created in ChatGPT. And avatars like this can be used in lead generation, in coaching, education, supporting of your existing customers, you name it. The opportunity is here. I want in your industry, I want your competitors, for you to be the first one to leverage that opportunity. Send me a DM with your AI avatar description, how you're going to use it in your business, and we'll see if I can help you with that.